Hello students, welcome to a new grammar class. Student, our today's class is gender sense, but it is mainly animals and birds gender sense, masculine with feminine. I write here 15 and here 15 word, and we have another some important spots that we will write after this part. So start. Here is written male hyena, female hyena. Hyena means you know that when it is male and opposite is female, you know that. Then owl, cock, it is called cock. Owl means pecha. It is when it is feminine, it is hen. Then ostrich. Ostrich, you know that the kinds of birds. It is also cock, so it is hen. Student, one thing always remember, you need to check out this one. All cock is always opposite hen. Then bull, it always opposite cow. Like that. Here is bull, here is bull, here is bull. Then here is bull also, here is bull also. Here is bull. So no need to think more things. Bull is always opposite, always cow in feminine. Okay, you need to remember this one. Okay, so start. Cock ostrich, hen ostrich. Hawk, turtle, it is hen also. Bull, I said that it is rat. When it is feminine, masculine is rat. When it is feminine, it is cow rat. Then seahorse, sea mare. Because you know that horse, feminine is mare. So it is also seahorse, sea mare. Then male bat, female bat. Here is also male. So male is always female. And the name is no changing. Then bull bison, cow bison. Bull buffalo, cow buffalo. You need to remember this one. Okay. Then male, again cheetah, female cheetah. Male is feminine, female. Then crow, cock. Crow also called cock in masculine. So opposite is hen, crow. Hen, crow is feminine word. Then bulldog in cow dolphin. Male eagle, female eagle. Then bull, giraffe, cow, giraffe. Male gorilla, female gorilla. When you read, when you remember in your mind, you need to check out this one. The same word, when it is same word at first, it is called always opposite is this one. But sometimes this word will be not given to you. Direct bison, buffalo, cheetah, it will be written. So when you written in feminine word, you need to remember this one. Okay. The only buffalo will be cow buffalo, bison will be cow bison. Because every time it will be not given. Then dog. Dog is masculine, but when it is female, it is bees. It is bees. Okay. Then cock, cock hen. Here is cock hen, that's why here is also cock, then hen. Then bull, I said that bull opposite in feminine part, cow, lion, lioness. Then, and you know that masculine, feminine is gender. Then pungling and striling. Then tiger, fox, fox, vixen. Then tiger, tigress. And this all is very important for your different types of exam, not only class exam. It is also important to your different quiz contest, then different Olympiad exams also. Okay, so remember properly. And it is also important for different types of competitive exam. Okay, then horse mare. Then drake. You know that. What is the meaning of drake? The drake it is I write here dark. So dark means when it is dark, when you give it its a from dark, it is when it is masculine, it is dread. Then peacock, peahen, peacock, peahen. Then bull camel, so it is cow camel. Then drone bee, queen bee, queen bee. Then buck rabbit. When it is called buck for rabbit, it is feminine is doe, doe rabbit. You can write rabbit or you cannot write rabbit, only doe is enough. The ram, sheep, when it is masculine, then it is ram. When it is feminine, it is different. It is different. That is ewe. Then colt. Actually, colt is a baby horse name. You know that colt, baby horse called colt. It is flea. When it is masculine, it is called flea. That means girl. And it is boys. Then leopard. Leopard. Some of the colt is leopard. It is leopardess. It is leopardess. Leopardess. So this is total 30 words. Note down this one because we have another 15 words for this class. Student, when you write it, read at first, then understand and then write properly. Okay. I hope you note down this part. So I will wrap this and then write another 15 words. Okay. And if you cannot write with me, you can pause the video and then write. Okay, students. I write here another 15 words. It is new. So total 30 and this is 15. That means 45 words. Start. Start. You know that. Start and feminine word is hind. Feminine word is hind. Some of the word is hind. Then cock is for again cock here. So cock feminine part is hen. So it is also hen. Sparrow. Then tomcat. Tomcat is queen cat. When this cat is masculine, it is tom. When it is feminine, it is queen. Queen cat. Then boar. Pig. Firstly we write one place is boar. Then it is also boar. But it is pig. Okay. Here is also boar, it is bear. So you need to remember this one, pig and bear also both are called boar. So here is the answer. Boar is cow. Boar is cow. It is feminine part. Then bull. Bull, you know that bull. When it is bull, it is always cow. It is always cow. Then again bull, it is always cow. More word is more elephant, more animals, more birds is like this, same to same. That is called same process. Then zap. When kangaroo is masculine, it is called zap. When it is feminine, it is called flyer. It is called flyer. Then bark, mouse. But rat is different. Okay. When it is mouse, it is bark, and when it is feminine, it is doe. It is doe. Then boar again, bear, so it is sow. It is sow. Then cock, swan. Swan, masculine part is called cock, but some of the time it will be given only swan. Okay. It is pen. It is feminine When it is feminine, it is called pen. You can write here swan also. Then bull. Bull is again, so bull whale means cow, whale, cow, whale. Zebra. Zebra, when it is masculine, it is called stallion. Okay. And some of them it is given only zebra, so it is also called mare in feminine. Then drone ant. Firstly, we will do drone bee. It is like that. So it is will ant. It is drone bee. It is also drone. So it is will ant. He wolf. Wolf means you know that when it is he, you know that when it is boys we call she, when it is girl it is called she. So it is she wolf. And goose. And goose is very important. It is always come in exam. Goose is feminine part is gander. So this is our total 45 animals and birds gender, that is very important. Okay, for your different types of exam. Okay, so students, if it is helpful, if you think that, and parents also, I request you, if you think that it is very important for you, so like, share with your friends. Okay, when you share, your another friend will be helpful from this video. From this video they will be helpful, so share with your friends. Sorry, I will be okay, write this part because this part is written already. Very important class for everyone. Note down this one properly. And when you read, again I said that when you write, read at first, understand and then write. Okay. When you write, I request you, this all word will written one place. So when you read, it will be better for you. Okay. At first written this one bull, then bull elephant, bull cat, then bull whale, like this. Okay students, I hope it is helpful for you. And if you want this types of class, again, if you are not subscribed, you can subscribe the channel and press the bell icon, so you can got all the class up to date time. So this on for today's class. We will meet our next class.